Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by pairing and orienting the Siri remote so it talks to your Apple TV reliably. Put the remote within 3 meters and point it toward the box, then press and hold back and volume up for 2 to 3 seconds. Once the on-screen prompt appears, tap to confirm pairing. This initial pairing establishes Bluetooth control and ensures the touch surface and buttons map correctly. After pairing, make sure the remote's battery shows on screen so you know it's charged and ready to navigate. You now learn to navigate and tailor the remote to your needs. Use the ClickPad Center to select and swipe the outer ring for fast scrolling. Short presses navigate menus, long presses return home. Once done, open Settings Remotes and Devices to set volume control or infrared pass-through for your receiver. Enable Siri so you can speak searches and commands. This accelerates finding apps, content, and playback control. Adjust ClickPad sensitivity and button behavior if navigation feels too fast or sluggish. You finish by mastering playback and troubleshooting steps so interruptions are rare. Control playback with play/pause and use swipe gestures on the ClickPad for scrubbing. Press and hold TV/home to put the Apple TV to sleep. If the remote acts up, make sure it's charged. Give it 15 to 30 minutes and retry. If needed, repair from settings or restart the remote by holding back and TV buttons. If problems persist, restart the Apple TV and confirm no obstructions block infrared or Bluetooth signals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.